Hi there, and welcome to the Webinar Program Playbook. Use this step-by-step playbook instead of premium tools and templates to create a comprehensive webinar program. Each playbook begins with a table of contents and a framework for quick reference to the tools and templates highlighted throughout this step-by-step guide. Our playbooks are filled with links to our practical modern marketing tools, templates, and training, which are organized stage by stage, step by step. It first starts with the first stage, which is to identify objectives. And here, the first step is to establish a benchmark. Afterwards, your next step is to review your company's marketing strategy. Evaluate the competitive landscape, conduct a risk assessment, outline your webinar program objectives, build a business case, and get approved. The next stage is pre-webinar planning, and the first step here is to understand the audience. Next, hire a program manager. Select web conferencing technology. Build a roster of speakers. Prioritize your messaging. Identify webinar topics. Select speakers for upcoming webinars and plan your webinar promotions. In stage 3, it's all about webinar execution. And here, the first step is to handle the logistics, followed by organizing the execution. And lastly, document lessons learned. The fourth stage is post-webinar marketing. And here, the first step is follow-up. Step 2 is lead nurturing. And step 3 is leveraging the content. And lastly, in stage number 5, the first step here is key performance indicators. Number 2 is budget, and step 3 is calculate return on investment. Remember that you can access all of these resources in a single page at the start of this guide and on its own with the Webinar Program Framework. Succeed with webinars by downloading and leveraging this playbook today.